Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 7th August 2025. Indian state-owned oil refiners are scaling back Russian crude purchases amid increased pressure from Washington, including tariffs on Indian exports. Companies like Indian Oil Corp are pausing spot purchases of Urals cargoes for October loading, awaiting government guidance. This shift could lead to increased demand for alternative crude sources from the US, Middle East and Africa. The Reserve Bank of India's MPC under Governor Sanjay Malhotra has maintained the repo rate at 5.5% after previous cuts. This decision precedes the festive season, a period of increased credit demand. It reflects a cautious approach to balancing external economic pressures and supporting domestic growth amidst easing inflation and trade concerns. Adani Airports plans to invest Rs 20,000 crore or $2.4 billion in phased city-side developments with nearly 70% earmarked for Mumbai and Navi Mumbai airports. The goal is to boost non-aeronautical revenue to 70% by 2030, up from 50% now. The 240-acre Navi Mumbai airport project will feature hotels, offices and retail, aiming to emulate global airport city models like Schiphol and Zurich. The International Finance Corporation or IFC is anchoring a $1 billion real estate fund with HDFC Capital Advisors, aiming to boost green affordable housing in India. IFC's $150 million investment in the H-Dream Fund will help mobilize $850 million from other investors. The fund will finance projects implementing green building standards, addressing the housing gap, and promoting sustainable urban growth. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has issued a consultation paper suggesting key amendments to the SEBI Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements Regulations 2015 or LODR regulations. These proposed changes aim to simplify and streamline compliance obligations concerning related party transactions or RPTs for listed entities and their subsidiaries. One of the major proposals includes revising the thresholds for determining material RPTs. The current requirements often lead to extensive disclosures even for transactions with negligible impact. SEBI intends to ease this burden by recalibrating these thresholds, which would allow companies to focus on truly significant transactions. Deloitte India has entered into strategic alliance with Embark to offer end-to-end support to global firms building and scaling their global capability centers in India, covering strategy, operations, infrastructure and governance. India is no longer just a destination for large multinational corporations. Even mid-market companies are increasingly tapping into India for capability development. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.